Privacy management has emerged as a cornerstone of trustworthy business operations. As organizations collect, store, and process an ever-increasing volume of personal data, the potential risks and consequences of data breaches have escalated. Privacy management not only addresses compliance with stringent regulations, but also fosters consumer confidence and protects corporate reputations. Importance of privacy management in modern organizations. Modern organizations operate in a data-centric world where personal information serves as a critical asset. Effective privacy management is essential not only for compliance with legal frameworks, but also for maintaining competitive advantage. Organizations that demonstrate respect for privacy can differentiate themselves in markets where consumers are increasingly privacy conscious. Overview of the CIPM certification and its relevance. The Certified Information Privacy Manager (CIPM) is a globally recognized credential offered by the International Association of Privacy Professionals (IAPP). It equips privacy professionals with the skills necessary to manage a privacy program across all stages of its lifecycle. With an emphasis on practical application, the CIPM certification prepares candidates to operationalize data protection in their organizations, making it a pivotal qualification in the field of privacy management. Establishing and structuring a privacy program. A robust privacy program begins with clear governance. This involves creating a structured framework that defines how privacy is managed within the organization. It includes the establishment of policies, procedures, roles, and responsibilities that ensure privacy measures are consistently applied across all operations. Roles and responsibilities in privacy management. Effective privacy management requires the delineation of roles and responsibilities to ensure clarity and accountability. From the Data Protection Officer, DPO, who oversees strategic compliance with data protection laws, to privacy analysts and IT staff who implement and maintain privacy controls, each role contributes to the integrity of the privacy program. Privacy operational lifecycle. Detailed phases: assessment, protect, sustain, and respond. The operational lifecycle of a privacy program can be segmented into 4 critical phases. Assessment, evaluating the current privacy practices and where personal data exists within the organization. Protect, implementing technical and organizational measures to safeguard data. Sustain, regular monitoring and updating of privacy practices to address new challenges and regulatory changes. Respond, handling data breaches and privacy incidents effectively and in accordance with legal requirements. Strategies for implementing and maintaining privacy controls. Strategies include the deployment of technological solutions, such as encryption and anonymization, regular privacy training for employees, and continuous assessment through privacy impact assessments, PIAs, to evaluate the privacy implications of new projects or technologies. Overview of major privacy laws and regulations, e.g., GDPR, CCPA, privacy regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the European Union, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, in the United States, have set new benchmarks for privacy protection. These laws provide frameworks for data protection by dictating how data should be handled, giving individuals greater control over their personal information. Impact of these regulations on business operations. The impact of these regulations extends beyond compliance. They necessitate changes in how organizations approach data privacy, from initial data collection to the deletion of the data. Businesses must adapt their processes to accommodate rights such as data access requests, portability, and the right to be forgotten. Privacy by design. Principles and application in systems and processes. Privacy by design, PBD, is a proactive approach that involves integrating privacy into the design phase of projects and systems. The principles of PBD emphasize privacy as the default setting, end-to-end security, and transparency with users. Case studies or examples of privacy by design implementation. Real-world applications of PBD can be seen in industries like healthcare and e-commerce, where privacy controls are integrated into the development of products and services, from the ground up, to enhance consumer trust and regulatory compliance. Overview of rights, such as access, correction, and deletion. Data subject rights are central to modern privacy laws. These rights allow individuals to exercise control over their data, including accessing their data, correcting inaccuracies, and requesting the deletion of their data when it is no longer necessary. Procedures for handling data subject requests. Organizations must have clear procedures in place to respond to data subject requests efficiently and within the time frame stipulated by law. This includes systems for verifying the identity of requesters and mechanisms for tracking and managing requests. Role, responsibilities, and skills required for a DPO. The DPO plays a crucial role in ensuring compliance with data protection laws. Responsibilities include monitoring compliance, training staff involved in data processing, and conducting internal audits. Effective DPOs are well-versed in law and practices concerning data protection, challenges and best practices in DPO operations. DPOs face challenges such as maintaining independence, managing internal expectations, and staying updated with the evolving legal landscape. Best practices involve regular communication with key stakeholders and continuous education on privacy matters. Technology's role in supporting privacy programs. Technology solutions like data loss prevention, DLP, secure data storage, and access management tools are integral to implementing effective privacy practices. These technologies help enforce policies and protect data throughout its life cycle. Review of privacy-enhancing technologies and tools. Emerging privacy-enhancing technologies include advanced encryption techniques, blockchain for data integrity, and AI-driven analytics for monitoring and compliance. Regularly reviewing these tools and technologies allows organizations to stay ahead of potential privacy risks. Importance and methods of privacy training. Training is critical for ensuring that all employees understand their roles in protecting privacy. Methods range from in-person training sessions to e-learning modules that cover key privacy principles and the organization's specific privacy practices. Developing a culture of privacy within an organization. Cultivating a privacy-focused culture involves embedding privacy into corporate values and ensuring that it permeates all aspects of business operations. Regular updates, top-down engagement from leadership, and incentives for secure data handling practices reinforce this culture. Current challenges in the field of privacy management. Challenges include navigating the complex landscape of global privacy regulations, managing the increasing sophistication of cyber threats, and ensuring comprehensive privacy protections across increasingly digital operations. Predictions for future developments and changes in privacy laws. Anticipated developments in privacy laws may include stricter enforcement measures, increased rights for data subjects, and new regulations addressing emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Organizations must remain agile and proactive to adapt to these changes.